Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We're making a cool Minecraft video with Mac. No, Mac! Okay, let's go into Minecraft.
I did not want to break these. I break my other one.
Okay, no, this, it's Diamond Man. Hit that subscribe button, comment down below.
Comment down below.
No, we don't want to play. Yeah, come on, get on to Minecraft, dude. Get on to Minecraft. What the heck are you doing? No.
What the?
Yeah, come on.
Oh no.
What the heck are you doing?
How do we get out of this?
Oh, press the button. Press that button, then press on my. Oh my god.
Games.
Press Minecraft.
Yeah.
Okay, let me play.
Where's my...
Oh, do you want to go over there? Go and get your controller. Just let me put the camera here. No.
You got one?
Yeah, no, I drank it all.
And we will give out this for $1 grand, $1,000, and then this.
Yes.
$1,000.
Yeah, so
If we can get 50,000 likes,
yes.
we'll give this away.
No, you're not gonna play.
50,000
Can you hold the camera for the day?
50,000 likes to get this.
Yes, so
This Hulk fidget spinner.
okay, so you're not gonna play, you're gonna watch me. So we're gonna get on to Minecraft. Me and Dad were being really good at
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, I saw it. It's so good, guys.
Don't tell
Literally.
Come on.
It's so good. So good, guys.
Just stop doing that. Just put it on the TV so you can see it. Okay.
Yeah.
Me and John has done this one, so I'm gonna show
Yeah,
you
his
this
friend
one.
John.
We're just gonna show you this world first. Me and John has been making this.
Yeah, but the one that his dad and he made was awesome.
Oh yeah, but look what me and John. So I'll show you inside. So here's some in the chest. We got a lot of things. And we got
White beds, yeah. We've got
Should be up there. We don't have a mine yet, and
try to build a mine or something.
no, I'm gonna go and chop some trees down. So, where's the tree?
Oh, there's a tree.
Oh yeah. I can see some trees. So next, that was on John's
Fart crackers.
sleepover. Hello.
Fart crackers.
No, don't say that.
I said fart.
Don't say
Crackers.
fart. We're not allowed to say any of these words.
Fart crackers. FTG said that.
You're not like we're not those YouTubers.
They say fart crackers. That's not a bad word, fart crackers.
Oh, I thought you said the F-U-C-K word.
Yeah, don't spell it out. I said fart.
Gonna kill the pig. Like go mining. Just gonna go and chop some trees now. God.
Oh yeah, you need to cut that. And that sometimes happens.
After this, guys, we're gonna hop onto a different thing.
Game.
Yeah, and me and Mac are gonna do a cool thing. So,
Should we show them around your room?
oh no, they already seen that. Oh, fart crackers! I should get out of there. I've lost my home.
Oh,
Come on, point at the TV, dude, not at me. Okay, just point at the TV.
Oh, there's your house.
Oh yeah, there it is. And me and Jordan were being really good. You don't show us because they never seen us, dude. That's not what they do in the video.
They do show themselves sometimes.
But don't just show me.
Yeah, because they've seen you, but I haven't seen me. I look ugly.
What?
I look ugly with my hair down like.
Oh God, no! No! I saw in my gardens.
Oh, I thought you were naked then.
Naked, look.
Yeah, I thought you were naked.
Just need to change my skin.
Oh, it's really white. Oh, no.
Yeah, because I made it like a zombie in a suit. Okay, I'm gonna be.
A zombie in our suit.
Yeah.
Pat, I'm in grade 2, so I know. Oh, that's really light. Pat, you should chop that yeah, chop that so that it's like a bed. It's like a bed table. It's like that down there, Pat. That. It's like that.
Yes, I know. I just need to make a chest here. I can be a ball. But I just need to like make a chest. I'll make some of these because I'm going to make some things to use on that. Okay, now I'm just going to go make my thing, whatever. So next, on the next video, on the next video.
Oh, did I just press AF? Oh, yeah, good. I pressed AF. This video's gone for 6 minutes already. Are we gonna go on the other web? That's brilliant.
No,
really good.
We need to make this first. But we need to trap somebody in here. So I might want a... Will I need a...
Pig.
No, I got...
Sage. Oh.
Oh no, pigs like apples, I think.
No. Oh, yeah, they do.
Let me see. Do you like an apple?
I think they do like apples.
No.
No. Maybe give them seeds. Let's see if they like seeds, actually. Oh no, chickens like seeds.
Whoa, what is that?
Whoa! Go on to there. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's right down there.
Yes, I know. Whoa, it's those glowing things. What the?
What?
I need to...
I wanna go
put this
there.
on camera. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's...
There's nothing.
No.
Oh, there it is.
Let me go up so I can breathe.
Guys, we just found an underwater temple, I think.
Yep. Whoa, okay. Look what we found.
Oh, maybe diamonds or stuff.
No, there's no diamonds.
Wait,
We
go up. You're gonna drown.
Ah! Why drown? I'm gonna be dead forever.
Oh yeah, you're losing heart. So you can see better. Losing hearts.
Oh, there. I need to make a boat. For God's sake. Come on, throw it at the camera. Stop putting your hand.
Oh, jeez. I'm just gonna play with the fidget spinner.
No, you can't play the fidget spinner. You need to put on. I need to make a boat as fast as I can. No, don't do that. You're not allowed to.
Okay, you just need to write race. Let's change it. Just let's just change the number of the Hulk thing fidget spinner. It's gonna be $100 probably. $100 or 50 or 20 or 30 or 10.
No.
That $100 then. How about $100 for the Hulk thing? Yeah.
Yes.
Or they can raise 50. You
Chicken.
Seeds. You need
They
seeds.
love seeds.
Seeds. You're on some seeds.
It's like a hidden place down there.
There's coal.
Did,
There's a wolf.
ah,
Oh, I zoomed in too much. Hope you can still see this, guys. It's going for 10 minutes now. Should we stop it?
no.
How long do your videos go for?
No.
Where's my cap guns?
Tag on.
Alrighty.
Don't show them yet.
I'm just gonna shoot them.
They might break, dude.
Oh, no.
They'll get scared. Oh, I got two.
Yeah, we got. You've got a pig too, I think. Oh, not two chickens. Where's your house? Oh, there.
Come on. I'm not gonna take
You need to make a thing on.
thing or what?
A door so you can put them in and then close them in.
No. We're just gonna leave them in forever. Does that door walk slow? Come on. Come on, chicks. Come in here. Where's the other one? What are you doing?
So dumb. Sorry if I wasn't recording just then.
Oh.
Place it there. Yep, they're right there. And then you need a fence. You jump at, yeah.
Just leave it in there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have chicks.
Yeah, they can get through, so make a fence there so it comes there. Oh yeah, you can just do that too.
Or maybe they'll go like this. Like, oh no, they can't.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You need to make water for them or something. And how about you give them some seeds, Pat? Because they can't starve. Oh, it's so white. Oh, I just need a...
Okay, they're gonna make. Oh. So you feed the baby chick.
Yeah, feed it.
Okay, that's one. No! Get on. Get out. Oh, okay, that's enough chicks now. Just now, I just need to go through here. Now I just need to
And-
put away.
Should I show... I'll show the cap guns now.
Well, we don't have any bullets.
Yeah, we'll just show them. So guys, it will cost...
1 billion?
No, 5 grand. 5,000. No, $100.
Yes.
$100 to get these 2 cap guns.
The videos.
And to get the caps.
Yes.
4 caps.
Yeah, and
4
we're
caps.
about to stop now, so
4,
hope
yeah.
you subscribe and hit that like button, really leave.
Just hit that like button. Destroy it. Make it die. And make sure you bro fist. And maybe a Septicars.
No.
And maybe a pink mustache.
Don't.
That's no hair.
Don't.
Hair does.
No, okay.
Are we ending-
Just in the end the video.
Video